How much does it really cost to list your property on VRBO? Thinking it is just a few bucks and a handshake, or maybe a big chunk of your rental income? Let's bust some myths and get the real scoop. So you've got a fantastic place and you're ready to jump into the world of short-term rentals. VRBO, which is short for Vacation Rental by Owner, is one of the big players. But before you list, it is super important to know the costs involved. It is not just about setting up your listing and forget about it. Nope. There is more to it. So the question is, how much does it really cost to list your property on VRBO? So let's break it down. First up, VRBO has two fee models. One is an yearly subscription fee. Think of it like a club membership where you pay once a year and that's it. And this can be great if you're renting out your place all year around. The other option is pay per booking. In this plan, VRBO takes a cut from each booking you get. So if you're more of a sometimes host, this might be your jam. If you go with the annual subscription, you are looking at around $499 per year. Yeah, it's a chunk, but if you're booked solid, it could be worth it. And this yearly subscription fee is for each listing, not per account. So if you have, let's say, 10 properties in your account, you will have to pay this subscription 10 times. On the flip side, the pay per booking option takes 5% of your rental fee plus 3% of payment processing fee. So it's roughly about 8% they will take from you. For example, if you're renting your place for $100 per night, VRBO will take $8 for each night. So if you go with pay per booking plan, which would be my recommendation as well, it doesn't cost anything to list your property on VRBO. See, I have a portfolio of over 200 plus properties spread all over the world, and VRBO brings in about 10 to 20% of the bookings. And if I look back at the past years, I think I'm much better off with just pay per booking, and that's why I would recommend it to everyone as well. But wait, there is more to it. Don't forget about the other costs like making your place look awesome. That costs money, right? And what about cleaning and maintenance or even little welcome gifts for your guests? These things add up and they're all part of the game. Now, the big question is listing your property on VRBO worth it? If you're all about hosting often and making your field guests like they've just hit the jackpot, the annual subscription could be your ticket to success. But if you're just dipping in your toes into the rental pool, maybe the pay per booking route is more your style. It's all about what works for you and your cozy corner of the world. All right, my friends, it is your turn. What do you think? Are you team subscription or team pay per booking? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you've got more questions or cool tips for your fellow hosts, let's hear them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more no-nonsense advice. Catch you in the next video.